This video guide will show you the 1-3-5 chord progression in every key, and then how you can arrange these chords. The most basic 3-chord progression is 1-4-5, which uses only the major chords. The Roman numeral system for chords uses the numbers 1 to 7. This allows us to transfer chord progressions between keys easily and understand the role of each chord within a progression. If you would like to better understand these fundamentals, including 1-4-5 in every key, then check out our 1-4-5 chord video. With the use of the 3 chord in our progression, we are introducing a minor chord. The mix of major and minor chords is a very important element in songwriting. The change in feel and ability to contrast sections is vital for building and maintaining interest in a chord progression. If you would like to learn more about minor chords, then have a watch of our excellent minor chords video. We will now run through the 1-3-5 chord progression in every key. We will use sharp rather than flat in this video. If you'd like to skip to a particular key, please use the timestamps in the description or sections on the timeline. Let's start with A major. A, C sharp minor, and E. A sharp major, A sharp, D minor, and F. B major, B, D sharp minor, and F sharp. C major, C, E minor, and G. C sharp major, C sharp, F minor, and G sharp. D major, D, F sharp minor, and A. D sharp major, D sharp, G minor, and A sharp. E major, E, G sharp minor, and B. F major, F, A minor, and C. F sharp major, F sharp, A sharp minor, and C sharp. G major, G, B minor, and D. G sharp major, G sharp, C minor, and D sharp. If this guide has helped you in any way, we would love you to like and subscribe to the channel for more songwriting content. And keep watching this video to discover what a turnaround is. We will now look at some arrangement examples in the key of C major. Please note that there are multiple ways to arrange 3 chords, and this video is not exhaustive. You can vary the rate of change of chord progressions, but for simplicity we will stick to 1 chord per bar here. Let's start with the simplest arrangement, in number order ascending or descending. Next we can look at an 8-bar phrase. The first 4 bars set up a pattern, and then we break this pattern in bars 5 to 8. Let's now look at the 12-bar arrangement. If you have seen our 1-4-5 video, you will remember the importance of the 12-bar section. There are several ways to arrange this. We'll look at a simple one here. How do you like to arrange the 1-3-5 chords? Let us know in the comments below. Now we will turn to an important building block of songs, the turnaround. A turnaround is typically a 2 or 4 bar sequence of chords that repeats. It helps you to create a repetitive hook in a song, which makes it memorable. Using our 1-3-5 chords, we have a lot of options. This can include We can also use major chord inversions in our turnaround to create additional interest and variety. If you need help understanding major chord inversions, then check out our excellent video. Master chord progressions now.